Why do I use the water from the fish tank to water the plants?
Oh, because it's better for the plant.
That's right. It's good for the plants.
Still.
Welcome back to the SSL Family Dad channel. Today we are going to do something kind of fun, I think. We're all excited about it anyway. We are going to move our hot tub, our Amazon purchased hot tub, into our house. And so I'll show you the space that we have. We're not sure exactly how well this is going to work, if it's going to be a problem or if it is going to be awesome. It's going to be one or the other. So right out here we have on the deck, we have the Intex hot tub, which we've actually been very happy with. It's been working very well, super easy to set up, and so we've liked it so much that we thought, why not bring this inside and put it in this atrium. So we have this very windowed area here. It gets a lot of sunlight. It's a nice big open space, and we have a lot of plants and fruit trees and other things growing out here. We've got our little aquaponics system, and lemons and avocados and coffee trees and banana trees and vegetables, peppers and tomatoes and all kinds of stuff. So I think it would be really cool if we could put that hot tub right in this area here. We've kind of cleared a space out. We're also going to kind of set this up as like an outdoor patio kind of area. The plan today will be to drain this and clean it up a little bit. It's kind of deflated a little because of the cold weather. It was like 32 degrees last night. So we'll disconnect it, we'll drain it, we'll clean it up, we'll bring it in, we'll set it back in here, and we'll get it all filled up and heated. So two things could go horribly wrong with this. It could leak, or a hole could pop in it or something like that, or we have a problem with it and water just gushes all out in here and then runs into our house somewhere. That could be a problem, so there's the risk of that. And then there's also the risk of the humidity issue. So if this thing gives off too much humidity and adds too much humidity to the house, then we could end up with a problem there. However, the size of this room in this house, and this being in the wintertime when we have super dry conditions, we heat with wood, I don't think humidity is going to be an issue. I think that humidity will only be added to the air when we're in it. When it's covered, I don't think really a lot of humidity gets out. So that's my theory. We'll see how well that works out here. All this water on here. Here. Okay, so now we're going to slide it off. So can you grab that other side?
Ah.
Let's see how.
Wait, did you have to stick your hand in there?
Yeah. So I think you just take that.
Oh. Come on, Dad, you can do it. Oh. Only my feet. Dad, be careful. Don't pop it. Please don't pop it. Oh, Dad, please don't pop it. Please don't pop it. You're gonna roll it on top.
Coming in, people.
Yeah, it's just the outside that's big. And the avocado tree. It's really like ice.
Hook it back up first. All right, the hot tub has been heating up now for about a day, and we've got everything set up downstairs for the indoor patio for the winter time. So this time of year, we start to feel the cold coming, and man, is it kind of depressing. Things get cloudy here in Michigan. It gets rainy, it gets cold, it gets windy, and the fresh air of summer is gone, and it's replaced by this humid, damp yuck. And this is the way it is until basically April or May here. So we're gonna have an indoor refuge here where we can hang out, and it will be sunny, and it will be warm, and it will feel like we're outside in the summer. That's the idea. And so hang out in the hot tub and be surrounded by plants and things of God's creation. So we move in all of our plants from outside. So all these ferns and stuff, these sit outside on the porch in the summertime, but we'll bring them in for the winter. And then we're gonna add more boxes up here to grow herbs and things on this windowsill. But we've got the windows here, and then we're actually gonna take all these shades off so we let in the most amount of light. So down into the atrium, we've got the avocado, we've got the fiddle leaf, we've got a lemon tree, we've got bananas, tomatoes, peppers, beans, peas, coffee plants, olive bushes, more orange and lemon trees. We brought in the outdoor patio set that we'll use. We'll obviously have to take the umbrella down just to let light to get to all these trees, but when it is really sunny days, this actually is nice to have a little shaded spot in here because it gets pretty warm down here. We've got the indoor aquaponics system over there, and right in the center of the space here, we'll have the hot tub. And so this will actually help to add a little bit of humidity to the house. I think it will be fine in here. With the cover on, it doesn't seem to add any humidity at all. We're still at about 62% in here, and we're only in it for, maybe a half an hour at a time, an hour at a time. So got some ferns in here, and this is kind of our vegetable grow system. A lot of the stuff has just been brought in, and so it's kind of looking sad, but this will all perk up and be kind of a big area of growth throughout the winter time.
So you can.
Alexa, play forest sounds in the lounge.
Here's Forest Sounds by Rest and Relax Nature Sounds artists, playing on Lounge on Amazon Music.
Well, can you picture it on a nice cold winter day, hanging out in here in the hot tub, having picnics down here on the patio table. And I've got a few more things to add to this area that's going to make it really cool that I want to show you guys, but we don't have them yet. So we'll wait till the weather gets a little colder, and we'll do an update on the growth in here, see how the trees are doing, see how everything's growing in here. And we'll have a couple additions that I think are going to make this place even more awesome. So far, the hot tub, we've used it a few times. It's been working out really good. It's all tile floor down here. So, when people get in and out of the hot tub, we get a little bit of water on the floor, but it evaporates quickly. So what do you guys think? Good idea, bad idea, having a hot tub in your house? We'll see. It seems to definitely add some humidity to this area. We have a temperature and a humidity sensor in this room. And it did get up to about 75% humidity from about 62%. When we had people in it for about an hour, half an hour, 45 minutes. But as the winter moves on, the air will get drier and drier. And so we've been down to 35% humidity in the house in the wintertime, and we actually want it to be closer to 55 or 60. So So we will see how things turn out over time. We'll keep you guys updated, but of course, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to hit thumbs up on today's video. Of course, if this is your first time here, subscribe, tag along. We've got lots of more renovations and updates to do in this, the old 70s homestead here, this old 70s hippie house. We've got lots of things to do with that. And of course, we're gonna be doing indoor gardening. I've got some new gardening systems to share with you guys and a bunch of other things for indoor gardening this year. So it should be a lot of fun. So stick around for that. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.